Hello, in this video, I will share to you about the joint family reunification. Our sponsor is holding a general work permit. So we have episode 1, watch na yan sa ating playlist. And this is the episode 2 for our child na nag-aaral. Kung ano yung mga documents requirements na kailangan para sa child na nag-aaral. And then, for the episode 3, click nyo din yung playlist. Meron tayo dyan para naman sa child na hindi nag-aaral or yung ating toddler. So note that kailangan natin ng isang copy lang. So dapat colored copy. Take note of that. Ayan yung ating checklist and meron tayong link para makita kung ano yung mga checklist na to. Talagay ito sa baba. So here are the documents requirements for our children na school age. So here we go. So first, we need to secure the DFS appointment confirmation. So ipiprint out natin tong confirmation natin or the appointment sa BFS. So hahanapin kasi yan dun sa BFS during our schedule. And number 2 is yung ABAT. Sa ABAT, dito tayo mag-fill up ng ating mga basic information. So, mag-generate itong ABATs for us to meron tayong reference number na ilalagay natin sa PFS schedule para makapag-schedule tayo. And then the passport, kailangan all pages should be photocopy in color. So, use scanner, printer, don't use a phone. So, dapat passport size photocopy lang. And then, for the birth certificate of our child, kailangan PSA original, copy. And then, valid siya within 1 year dapat. And also, the next one is the barangay clearance. So, kahit bata sila, kailangan natin ng barangay clearance for proof of residency. Kailangan dito ay original copy. And also, kailangan din po natin ng letter of invitation and affidavit of support for joint family visa. So, ito is coming from our sponsor. I-take note po natin ito na dapat galing sa ating sponsor. I-signature lang, pwede na. And also, letter of assurance and financial support. It is also coming from our sponsor. E-signature will do. Hindi natin kailangan ng original copy. Pwede na email yung sponsor sa atin and then we can print it out. And the proof of relationship. Ship. So, for the kids, ginawa ko dito is naglagay ako ng mga pictures nila with their father and naglagay lang ako ng short description. Like for example, may picture kami ng birthday ng kids ko and then nandun yung father and then may short description ako. And also, yung mga picture na kasama yung kanilang father or the sponsor. The next one is the cover letter explaining regarding income, thresholds, and savings. It is also coming from our sponsor kung hindi abot yung income thresholds ng ating sponsors. And next is the bank statement ng ating sponsor. Must be recent ng 6 months. Yan. Dapat ma-print natin to. And then 11, of course, the fee slip. It is coming also from our sponsor. 3 months lang ang kailangan. Print out natin ng colored copy para mukhang original. And then the employee detail summary, it is coming from our sponsor. Makukuha nila ito sa revenue.ie. Must be recent ha. And also the tax credit, galing din to sa revenue.ie. Dapat recent din. And then, the certificate of employment, kailangan din to coming from our sponsor. Kailangan recent copy din and original. Ay, hindi. Dapat colored copy. And then, the work permit is coming from our sponsor. And then, dapat updated. Ito hindi expired. And also, the employment contract. I-attach natin kung may mga amendment contract na binigay sa ating sponsor. I-attach din natin ito. And also, the birth and marriage certificate ng ating sponsor or the father, photocopy lang, and then original naka-attach naman dun sa mother ng pinasa. And then proof of accommodation, dapat nakapangalan sa ating sponsor. And then, the proof of dependency, ito yung certificate of enrollment, dapat original, and then copy of school ID. And then, parental travel consent, dapat tig-isa si mother and father na may gawa na letter, and then may pirma. And the sponsor passport, kailangan all pages rin ng passport ng ating sponsor. Dapat scanner ha, no phone apps, dapat i-scan nila ito sa printer, and then dapat colored, passport size ang ating pag-print out. And then the 22 is the sponsors IDs in Ireland. So dapat yung mga ID like IRP, PPSN, driver's license, lahat ng ID nila sa Ireland. I-photocopy natin to ng front and back copy sa isang papel, and then dapat colored paper din ito. And then the application letter, make it simple. I-take note nga na dapat dun sa letter is parang yung bata yung gumagawa. Sa huli nakalagay din yung pangalan nila, pero signature lang ng parents yung nakalagay. And then the passport size photographs, kailangan natin ng 2 peraso, must be recent, and i-follow natin yung instruction dun sa website na dapat sabihin natin sa Tronics and Great Image na it is for visa application ng Ireland. So here are the summary, screenshot mo lang, and then stop para makuha niyo yung full detail. Ito yung nakalist sa akin, lahat na kinuha sa akin sa VFX. So, yun lang for our episode 3. Click nyo lang yung playlist. Ito yung children naman na hindi nag-aaral. So, yun lang. Bye. Sana may natutunan kayo, and see you on my next video. Bye!